Hello everyone. In this video, I'll be doing the question number 6 of exercise 12.3 from the chapter of areas related to circles for class 10. In a circular table cover of radius 32 centimeters, a design is formed leaving an equilateral triangle ABC in the middle as shown in the figure 12.24. Find the area of the design, that is the shaded region. So I have this figure given to me. From this circle, if I subtract this triangle, will I not get the area of the design? So let us try to find it out. Now, what is the radius of the circle? The circle's radius is given to me as 32 centimeters and an equilateral triangle has been formed. Now, to find out the area of this equilateral triangle, we'll be needing its side. Now, how can I find out the side? If you think it of, since it's an equilateral triangle, its median will also be its perpendicular bisector. So I draw the perpendicular bisector of BC, or I draw the altitude from BC. For an equilateral triangle, the altitude, the angle bisector, the perpendicular bisector of the base, and the median, they're all the same. So I draw the altitude or the median from A to BC. The center of the circle will be lying on that median, and for an equilateral triangle, the centroid is same as the circumcenter of the circle. So I'll find out the position of the centroid first of all. The center of the circle will be centroid of the triangle ABC. Now this centroid will be where? It will be dividing the median in the ratio of 2:1. That means AO is to OD will be equal to 2:1. Now that means this BD, because AD is the median, that means BD will be equal to half of BC or half of AB, I can say. So this BD is half of AB. Since AD is the median of the triangle, so AO will be, I told you, the radius of the circle. And because the centroid divides the median in the ratio of 2:1, this AO, the radius of the circle, will be equal to 2/3 of this AD. See, this is twice, this is 1. AO is to OD is 2:1. So if I take this to be as 2x, this to be as 1x, then this complete AD becomes 3x. So AO will be equal to 2/3 of AD, right? Now, 2/3 of AD is how much? That is equal to 32 centimeters. That is the radius of the circle. So AD comes out to be how much? AD comes out to be 32 into 3 divided by 2. That means it will be equal to 48 centimeters. So I get AD is equal to 48 centimeters. Now using Pythagoras theorem, AB square plus BD square is equal to AD square. I use that. And what do I get? I get by Pythagoras theorem that AB square plus AD square. AD square is how much? AD square, I told you, it came out to be 48 square, and BD is how much? Half of AB, which is equal to AB by 2. So I put the values and I get the value of AB as how much it comes out to be. So AB square comes out to be 3072, and hence AB comes out to be square root of 3072, which is equal to 32√3 centimeters. So I have got the side of the triangle. What is the area of this shaded region? If you remember, the shaded region was the area of the circle minus area of the triangle. Area of the circle, I know it is equal to pi r square, that is pi into 32 square. And the area of the triangle, an equilateral triangle, it is equal to √3/4 into 32√3 whole square, which comes out to be 768√3 centimeters square. Area of the circle, which I told you is pi r square, comes out to be 22/7 into 32 into 32, which is equal to 22,528/7 centimeters square. From the circle, if I'll subtract the area of the triangle, I'll get the area of the shaded region or the area of the design, which is equal to 22,528/7 minus 768√3 centimeters square, and that is the answer. So I can say that the area of the design is 22,528/7 minus 768√3 centimeters square. So I hope you have understood the solution of the question. Thank you so much.